What's going on, fam? This next project has some impressive PR, and if you love trading, this might be for you.
This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor.
This is WiseBit, and if we just check out some of these press releases, I mean, they're insane. We have crypto market cap ensures strong security measures to ensure crypto assets, and we have one on Binance, which is just insane. Upgrade your trading with WiseBit. So pretty solid project. So as we check out this website, I mean, it seems like just a simple, easy to use, just streamless website. I mean, it's very easy on the eyes. They have some major features. I mean, we just talked about Binance, CoinMarketCap. They're on Microsoft, Crunchbase, YouTube Finance, YouTube Medium, and Google. So you know it is a solid project when they have so many people that are just major corporations that are vouching for them. So I couldn't be happier with what I'm seeing on this website. I mean, between the reviews, their PR on the CoinMarketCap, and the PR on Binance, it's just put together so well. If we scroll down a little bit further, you can see that they have all sorts of different ways you can trade, from crypto, stocks, everything. I mean, they have everything at your fingertips that you could possibly want. And it's just so easy to open up an account. They have all sorts of minimum packages depending on how good of a trader that you are. Maybe you're a complete beginner and you want to get started, but you don't have a lot of capital. You can go with their basic plan. I mean, if we look at the actual website here, we have basic all the way up to VIP. So from $500 to all the way $250,000. So definitely a huge spread. But with that, you are getting some great benefits like a discount on your pip spread, max leverage, and having account managers at your fingertips. So many high reviews. SiteJabber has them at 4.3, 23 reviews, 100% at reviews.io, which is insane. And they're just getting started on Trustpilot. So you know it is a legit company when they are really trying to push their reviews on their website. So definitely excited to see what they do with this project. Definitely if you're a trader, then you want to get in on the leverage. I mean, they have so many account types that you can use. Like I said in the very beginning, if you're just starting out, you can get with a basic package. But if you are more of a VIP, you kind of been around the block, then you definitely want to check out Gold or VIP, because then you get your world-class account manager, you get technical analysis from their trading center, and they just get daily signals. So, you know, why not? They do accept all of the major partners: Wire, Visa, MasterCard, Bitcoin, and wire transfer. So you know you're in good hands. You can trade on so many different of their platforms, from stocks to crypto to instance to commodities. So very excited to go over even more with it on the website, because there is a lot to break down on the website. And I want to go over the rest of the website with you guys right now, all sorts of different things. So very, very good set all around. And you know you're in good hands when they have all sorts of different options for you. And so if we check out their actual trading room, this is their trading room. You can see that they have quite the easy, seamless platform. You can place your order, take profits, set up your stop loss. You can buy and sell. You can do all sorts of different trades within this platform. So in summary, this platform has everything you would need to be a legit trader, from just starting out with a basic package all the way up to VIP, where you're an expert and you've been around the block for a while. So definitely check out what platform or what account type works for you, and look over their different stocks, the commodities, crypto. It's all at your fingertips that you can use right now. So that's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, and ring that notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And have a wonderful rest of your week. Know that you're valued and you matter.